Okay, so let's start second module. So this is about promoting products. So as we look at our first module, so this is week 13 and then module 2, promoting products. So we have four objectives. So describe two different types of advertisements. The two different types. One is company for company idea, and the second is your product. Then explain the functions of advertisements and give three basic steps needed to create advertisement and list functions of good package. So what is advertisement and advertising? So advertising is a marketing function aimed at informing customers and persuading them to buy your product. So such as we have a lot of products in the world, so we need to advertise to sell your service or your products. That is advertising, and then the primary goal is getting attention of public by using print or electronic message. And there are two types of advertising basically. So the company or highlighting the company or an idea or the product. So let me show you examples of each. First one, so company and idea advertising. You can see these types of advertising in public service advertisements, such as public health care or COVID-19, or such as donation. So these are promote company image or idea, and or sometimes the company promote their company rather than a product. So that protect environment, improve health standard, and increase donations, or to make their the company image better. So this is the examples of company advertisement. Yes, these advertisements is like public health advertisements. So in here, they just focus on an idea, not product, or the public health. So the key message is protect yourself and other by washing your hand or making social distance. This is kind of a examples of ideal promotion. And the second type is product advertising. So focusing a product. So promote specific product by television, radio, newspaper, and magazine. So I brought some of examples of this.
That's it.
Thomas, we have a visual. We have water.
We're witnessing history. Water on Mars.
This changes everything.
We just made it. That was the Mars water.
Oh, I thought it said Mark's water.
Fresh sparkling water in seconds. SodaStream.
Yeah, that was an example. Let's watch another example. So
What does home mean to me? It's my sanctuary. It's the one place I can let my guard down. It's where I can just kick back and be totally comfortable in my own skin. You know what I'm saying? Rocket Mortgage understands that home is where I can be myself. And that feels pretty darn good. Oh.
Home is where you feel the most comfortable, and Rocket Mortgage helps you feel comfortable financing that home with a personalized and convenient experience centered around you.
this is kind of a company promotion because that didn't highlight any specific mortgage products. That is for the company Rocket Mortgage. but this is just for their company promotion.
Rocket Mortgage.
And then next is the details of advertisement. So there are numerous ways to advertise your product, such as print advertisement on newspaper or digital advertising, such as on Facebook, YouTube, or Google, and mobile advertising. So put in the small screen, put everything here, and or outdoor advertisement. So you can select advertising methods. And then the functions of advertisement. This is core of this module. You should be aware of 4 things when designing advertisement. First one is attract our attention, and second is persuade us and inform us and cause action. So attract, persuade, inform, and action. So these are key highlights for advertisement. This is example. So McDonald's, so they advertise like this, even though they're actually like this, but they do. So attract attention, looks like tasty, and persuade by showing this like good patty, and last inform us, but that takes action should be. So this is examples of the social media advertisements. So that attract us by showing this nice graphics, right? And then like showing some simple text, simple and delicious. And then it shows packaging here and action. Click here. This includes some elements of the advertisement. And next one is also the same. So it attracts us by showing tomato, because that is a like juice, a sauce, pasta sauce. So that's seriously good. And it seems like persuade us, saying that we made seriously juicy the sauce, and also has packaging and then details in here, and that also informs us about this product. So in general, as you can see, most of advertisements just focus on attract attention and persuade us. But that should have some inform. So such as that is very tasty or very like convenience, whatever. Also have package. So this is an example of advertisement. Let's go back here again. So advertisement should attract. So that top priority, and persuade us. And it says, why do you need the product, right? And inform us and cause action. And this is the steps of creating advertisement. So let's look at this graph. So copy, layout, and advertisements. These are process. So first one is develop a message. So what will be the core message of your advertisement? So you should decide a message and develop the message. That message should have information that customers receive. And then next one is design its presentation. So how we're gonna present the message. That is mostly in paper material. We make layout for advertisement. Or sometimes electronic material needs a good layout. So this is example, like layout gonna be, that's a message here inside, but we don't need to disclose all the message to the front. So just show some keyword and then some key message here. That's enough. And then some detail we can put like within fine print text. So this is detail layout. And then next is produced by advertisement like this. Using the based on layout, we can add more detail, actual picture, or we just change the font style and then putting more important information here. So that is producing advertisement to be deliverable to a target audience. And I also brought up these images for you to understand. So from WikiHow website was good, and it shows 7 steps of advertisement process. So first of all, identify your audience. Who will be your audience? So will be male or female, age groups, and decide on target location. Where do you locate your advertisements, such as this big screen on the stadium, or bus station, or Facebook, YouTube, or magazine? You should decide your target location. And then next step is budget. So how much you're gonna spend for the advertisement, and then establish a campaign images. So just branding, the big idea of your product. So do you want to highlight your like efficacy of the product, or just good image, or whatever? And then next step is think about your message, such as if you want to sell a like tomato juice, tomato sauce. So you're gonna say, okay, our product came from organic farm. So that would be your message. And then next step is don't try to release everybody. So please everybody. So you can just focus on a group, and you can focus on your message, not all. And then before release, you test out your idea, your advertisement. This is a general process. And when developing layout, we do sketch. So rough sketch, so just general layout, and then refined, bring more detail, and then comprehensive, having more detail. So this is a process of developing layout. And then the layout can be converted into actual advertisements, such as like this. So before was here, and then after was here. Right? So we take this process. And then finally, the packaging. So packaging is also a way to protect and contain your product, as well as promote the product by displaying your images of your product and provide customer with information. This packaging. So I prepared some examples of this. So inside its design is here. So the package also has similar design to attract your customer, as well as contain your product and protect your product. Also, this gives some information, because your customer look at your package and buy your product. So that's why you need to put some information on your package. And this is also ideal product. So tea, so instant tea. So but it is like clothes hanger. So each product designed like this to attract customer, right? So if you can see this product, you immediately recognize, okay, this idea is like this, right? And then this beehive square, some cereal type cookie. So this also shows some good imagery like this. Also, nowadays many companies use cardboard or paper to protect the environment, such as Apple or Google. The big companies package their products using this type of simple method. So this is a way to packaging. So showing your actual image, and the backside, flip backside, they show the product detail. So, and then also they design like this. How we're gonna pack your products by layering. Like top layer, putting your end product, and then second layer, putting your adapter or headphone, and bottom layer they usually put power outlet or others. So this is packaging. So that's it. So I explained the promotion method, but in the class we continue this marketing and promoting your products. So this is your assignment for this class, for this module. So this module doesn't have a quiz. So instead, you should provide this short answers. So who is your target audience and where will you locate your advertisement, estimate your budget very roughly. You don't need to be detailed. And what is your company or product image, and what is your message. So this is individual assignment, and in the class we're gonna compile your individual assignment and then more develop your advertising or marketing plan based on this. So you can go to our class website, go content, and then click week 13, and then you can find the assignment page, and then submit your assignment. You don't need to be detailed, so just answer these 5 questions. All right, so that's it. So thank you for watching my video.